Welcome to the TDLR PALMS training, developed for you by the Education and Examination Division. TDLR is providing PALMS software access to all massage schools to help with managing student registration and record keeping. PALMS will efficiently track your student enrollment and student hours. PALMS will also track when you drop students from your program. Legislation enacted in 2019 requires all massage school students to have a student permit issued by TDLR starting on September 1st, 2020. Once a student is registered, TDLR will mail all student permits directly to massage schools. The schools will be responsible for distributing the permits to each student. The permits will include a wallet-sized permit and one 8.5 by 11-inch permit. TDLR will mail all student permits to the massage school at the address we have on file. Be sure that your information is up to date. Let's get started. Make sure you have your PALMS username and password ready. You can access PALMS by going to TDLR's website, www.tdlr.texas.gov. Go to the TDLR website and click on Apply Renew. Then scroll through the list and choose Massage Therapy. You'll land on the Online Licensing Services page. At the bottom of the page, on the right-hand side, there's a section that says Log in or Register. Log in with your username and password. Select Massage School Roster Update to start adding students and updating your roster. The next page is the introduction page. At the bottom of each page, you'll have the options to go to the previous page, the next page, or to cancel. You can update your contact information on this page. It is very important that you keep a valid email address because the email address will be used to confirm information that you've entered in the system. Under School Roster, press Launch to start using the PALMS application. Data security is important to TDLR, so there are steps you'll have to go through to verify your identification when you go into the PALMS application. For added security, you will be prompted to enter your username, your password, and your massage school license number to log into the PALMS system. Once you're on the PALMS homepage, you'll be able to enroll students, track hours, or manage student information. To enroll a student, you'll click on Enroll Student. Please note that a social security number is required for enrollment via the PALMS application. If a student does not have a social security number, you'll need to submit a paper application for the student, along with the required $25 fee. To enroll a student, you'll enter their name and additional information, including their social security number, date of birth, address, gender, email address, and telephone number. Once you've entered the student's information, click Submit. Confirm the enrolled student information and click Save and Enroll a New Student. If you left off some information, you'll receive an error message. You'll have two options: edit the entry or delete it. If you choose to delete the entry, a pop-up message will ask you to confirm that you want to delete the entry. When you answer yes, another pop-up will confirm that the entry was deleted. If you choose to edit the entry, a screen will appear to show you what you left out. Enter the missing information and click Save Changes. After you save the change, a pop-up window will appear saying, Successfully saved. Important: you must click OK for the change to be complete. Once the change is complete, you'll get another screen where you can continue enrolling students. You can add another student and click Save or click Cancel if you are done. The next screen lists all the students you've just enrolled. If you're done, click the Enroll All button. You'll receive a message that says all valid records were saved successfully. Click OK. Return to the Online Services page, where you can click on View PDF Summary Report and print the report for your record. Click on Pay Now to proceed to the Fee Payment page. Once you've submitted your payment, your students are enrolled and TDLR assigns a permit number. You can now return to the PALMS homepage. To go back to the PALMS homepage, click on Go To and choose Home from the drop-down menu. Click on Manage Students to see a list of the students who are enrolled. If you need to enroll multiple students at one time, click on the Enroll Multiple Students button at the bottom of the Enroll a Student page. TDLR has provided you with instructions on how to enroll multiple students at one time. Please refer to those if you need to enroll a large number of students at one time. You can now download the student enrollment template and populate it. Important: do not alter the worksheets or column names or the document will not work. We recommend limiting the number of students enrolled at one time to 25. Let's look at how to use the student enrollment template. You must enter the student information exactly as required, or you will get an error message telling you what you need to correct. Remember, if one of your students does not have a social security number, you cannot enroll them online via Palms. Be sure to save your work. You can save the file to your desktop, documents folder, or a USB drive. Whatever works best for your school's administrative needs. Once you've saved your file, the name of the file you've uploaded should appear toward the bottom of the screen. Be sure that your file has an XLSX extension. Now you can upload the file by clicking Upload. The new screen will show a list of all the students who are enrolled in the Excel spreadsheet. Click on Enroll All, and then follow the steps for paying the student fees online. This concludes the enrollment portion of the training.